Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am new video presentation. This video is totally related Viber apps. So guys, sometimes we are very tension that Viber SMS or photo because sometimes uh, Viber SMS deleted, but these delete SMS are why recovery or read. It's very easy, simple, and very easy way. So why are how to recovery delete SMS or photo for Viber apps. So guys, these problem solution are needed a simple apps. This app name is Noticeapp. At first we are download Noticeapp app, Play Store and search Noticeapp. Viewers Noticeapp app are view, and this app is very simple app, 10 million plus downloads. So we are Noticeapp app now download. Please install, click it and download processing. This app is 5.74 Mbps. Very simple and good apps, 100% working. This app is already downloaded and installing processes. Now open, then down right side we are arrow icon. Please click it, then again click, please allow, and next button click, and Noticeapp option is turn off. Please turn on, allow, and back, allow, loading app list, then next. There are many apps is turn on, so we are need Viber SMS and photo recover. So that's all apps is turned off, because when this all apps is turn on, there are many problem working for recovery. So we are turn off all apps, just turn on Viber apps, because we are need Viber apps. So just Viber apps is turn on. Viber apps is turn on, and more apps is turn off. So again back, and next button click, and again Viber turn on, just Viber apps turn on, other apps is turn off. WhatsApp turn on, we are this app is turn off, just Viber turn on. Okay, then back, then OK button click. So we are ready. This app Noticeapp is ready, and when we are Viber SMS or photo deleted sender, then I am show all the delete SMS or photo Noticeapp home box. So viewers, this app is 100% working. Please trust me, and this video are understood, not understood, then please comment this video. I am solution obviously, and please subscribe my channel, and many new video we are view that. Please turn on bell icon. So guys, thank you for